what I found about barbecue. People over smoke meats. They want to use a lot of hickory in Texas. They use a lot of mesquite. Memphis is more of a subtle barbecue. We use smoke just like any other ingredient. We want to enhance the meat flavors as opposed to over smoking.
Right.
If you've ever had barbecue where you burp for about 3 days later, I call that the hickory burp because the meat's been over smoked. Well, people who have that sensation are not going to come eat with you 3 or 4 times a week.
Right.
So pecan is a very mellow wood. You taste the smoke, you smell the smoke, but it doesn't overpower the meat. For competition, I use more fruit woods, and it's even more subtle. Pecan, I get a little better smoke ring than I do with the fruit woods, like apple and peach, and I do use cherry. It lends a pretty good smoke ring.